Okay, so first thing, we're gonna take off the caliper. We're gonna need a 13mm to get to these bolts back here. So let's go ahead and pop that off. Oh, God. Those are on there pretty good. Okay, I got those. Okay, so I got those off. Those bolts out. Let's go ahead and pry this thing off. That off. You can kind of just sit it back here. Alright, so with these clips pop out. These right here. And there's two of them. Pads. Okay, so here's our bracket bolts right here and up here, and these are 18mm. Alright, so these are on there pretty freaking good, so I'm gonna use a breaker bar. See if I can't get it off this way. There it goes. There's our bracket. Next, we need to take out this pin. So you just need like a pair of needle nose. Go ahead and bend the sides up. Just need to get them straight so you can pull it out the bottom. And try and not to mess this up because you'll need to reuse it. This takes a 36mm socket. Now they recommend replacing these. You can go ahead and try and pry this rotor off. There it goes. Okay. Just need to get our new rotor. And make sure you wipe off the braking surface. Mine had some oil on it in the packaging, so if you got a new rotor, just make sure you spray it off and wipe it down. Definitely don't want any oil on there. So here's our new nut. Go ahead and put that on there. Okay, so from what I found, this thing takes 200 foot-pounds of torque. But I have a torque wrench here, but it only goes up to 150. So I'll go ahead and take it to 150. Okay, so that's 150. And then I'll just put on my breaker bar and see if I can take it just a little bit more, and that should be pretty close to 200. Close enough, anyway. I don't think it's going anywhere. Put on this safety catch. Go ahead and put our pin back in here. Straighten it up a little bit. There we go. And just bend the sides back down.